Today we're taking a close-up look at one of the boldest, brightest plants in the garden, the Canna Lily. If you've ever seen one up close, get ready because these plants are like the little tropical fireworks growing right in the yard. Canna lilies are known for their huge leaves and bright flowers that come in colors like red, orange, yellow, and even pink. The leaves can be green, bronze, or striped, which makes them stand out even when they're not blooming. They look fancy, but they're actually really easy to grow. Let's start with care. Canna lilies love full sun, which means they want at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. They grow best in warm weather and like their soil to stay moist, not soaking wet, just nicely watered. If you forget to water them for a day, they won't panic, but they do grow their biggest leaves and brightest flowers when they get steady moisture. Now, are canna lilies annuals or perennials? They're perennials, which means they come back every year, but here's the trick. In colder places, people dig up the roots, called rhizomes, and store them for winter. In warmer places, like here in the South, you can leave them in the ground and they'll pop back up every spring. There are lots of varieties of canna lilies. Some grow short, around 2 to 3 feet tall, and others grow super tall, up to 6 or even 8 feet. Some have giant leaves that look like banana plants, and others have smaller leaves with bright stripes. No matter the variety, they all bring that tropical, dramatic look to the garden. Canna lilies grow best in zones 7 through 11, which covers the most warm and mild areas. If you live somewhere colder, you can still grow them. You just have to dig up the rhizomes before the ground freezes. They're tough plants, and once you learn their rhythm, they're easy to keep year after year. Now let's talk origin. Canna lilies came from tropical and subtropical parts of the Americas, places like South America, Central America, and the Caribbean. That's why they love heat and sunshine. Even though they look like lilies, they're not true lilies. They're in their own plant family, which makes them extra unique. Canna lilies can grow from tiny rhizomes into huge plants in just one season. They're fast growers, which makes them perfect for rescue projects. Even a sad clearance plant can turn into a giant beauty with just a little care. So that's your close-up look at canna lilies, where they come from and how to care for them, the varieties you can grow, and all the fun things that make them special. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.